Hello everyone, so today I am going to try for the first time making the Dalgona coffee. I hope I said it right, you've probably seen it all around. So Chelsea, one of my best friends, actually challenged me to do this. So Chelsea, this is for you. So first, the ingredients. We have the instant coffee, of course, the star of the show. We have some sugar, some hot water, some milk, and I am using the oat milk. I love this brand. We also have some ice and of course the tools. A whisk, and I am going to try to use one of these frother. We'll see if that works so I don't have to work too hard. All right, let's try. Okay, so we are going to do 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. So that goes in. Now we're gonna do the same here. Some sugar. Okay. And so now we will add some hot water. It does have to be hot. We'll do 2 tablespoons as well. And that should be it. So let's try mixing it all until it becomes all frothy, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna try using this. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but let's see. Ooh. It's not working. That's not gonna work. I tried. Okay, we'll go back to this. Oh, I didn't want to have to do all this manual labor. Well, oh, look, it's already doing. Okay. Maybe not. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this for. My arm already hurts. I'm going to get some biceps. This is a good way to get biceps in quarantine. Oh, look, I'm getting the bubbles. Okay, ain't nobody got time for that. I'm gonna use my KitchenAid. Let's see how that goes. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, so now we are ready to assemble. I'm actually going to try adding some syrup. So this is sugar-free salted caramel syrup. I just love adding it to my coffee, so I thought, why not? So I'm gonna put just a little bit in there, some flavor. We'll add some ice. Okay, now we're gonna add the milk. Looking good, people. Looking good. Last but not least, I hope I did this right. Let's see. Oh, it's so creamy looking. Look at that. Oh, I did it somehow. This is good. This is good. All right, how did I do? A little messy, but hey. I did it! I did it! I think it looks good. It looks pretty. Just preparing. Okay, time to try it. Am I supposed to mix it? I think this is enough ice.